The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the speaker lead onto the circuit board. Now this can go anywhere around. The wires have to be twisted, so we're putting these into the right holes. Okay, make sure that they go all the way through. Fold those over on the back, and then that's ready to solder. And when we've soldered it, we are going to thread the wire, this wire, back through the little anchor hole here. Okay, so that then is the speaker wire, and that'll be soldered onto the board.